SAVE study. SAVE, Sparanu und Altersvorsorge in Deutschland, is a representative data collection about private households' saving behavior in Germany. The survey was conducted in 2001 for the first time. About the study. In order to improve the research concerning the saving behavior of German households, the Munich Center for the Economics of Aging, MEA, conducts the SAVE survey since 2001 in collaboration with Institut Sozialforschung. Until 2010, the survey was financed by the Deutsche Forschungsgemeinschaft, DFG. It lays its main emphasis on saving behavior, old age provision and wealth creation in Germany. The SAVE study makes it possible to explore economic, sociological and psychological interdependencies. This means that it collects information about income, wealth and old age provision and about socio-demographic and psychological characteristics. This information includes, for example, expectations, attitudes and the attitude towards risk of the respondents. Since 2005 SAVE is conducted annually. Since respondents remain the same every year, panel changes in saving behavior and investment behavior of households can be tracked over time. The 9th survey for 2011 was conducted in collaboration with the Institute for Employment Research, IAB in Nuremberg, Germany, http://www.iab.de/n/, which is the research institute of the Federal Employment Agency. This cooperation led to the linking of information about employment status and social security contributions to answers in SAVE. Sample size. Launching the sample in 2001, it was continuously extended in 2003, 2005 and 2006 by inclusion of a new set of households. By the year 2006 the panel reached a high level of stability. In 2007 84% of German households who also participated in 2006 could be interviewed again. In 2008 and 2009 the response rate was even better, namely 89% and 85%. In 2011, 81% of 2010 respondents were surveyed. Overall, 55% of the participants added in the 2005 refreshment sample were still in the sample in 2010. The sample size per year is shown in the following table. Range of topics. The SAVE study can help to improve research in various areas. The following list shows in detail which topics are covered by the questionnaire. Access to the dataset. The SAVE dataset is made available to the public by the GSIS, Leibniz Institut für Sozialwissenschaften for non-commercial use only. Anonymity of the respondents is ensured by all means. Further information about the SAVE dataset is available on the SAVE homepage where, for example, the yearly questionnaires can be downloaded. There also exists another dataset called Mini-SAVE for the years 2005 to 2010 which is especially useful for teaching purposes. Mini-SAVE provides an easy way to get to know the dataset. Usage of the dataset linked to the administrative data is subject to several confidentiality rules, see. After the request has been approved by the Federal Ministry of Labor and Social Affairs, BMAS, a contract with the Research Data Center, FDZ, of the Federal Employment Agency, BA, at the Institute for Employment Research, IAB, allowing the researcher to use the requested dataset on site has to be signed. Literature. The results of the SAVE study are published by scientific journals and specialist books as well as by certain types of media addressing the public. A comprehensive list of publications associated with the SAVE survey can be found on the SAVE homepage. The list below provides a selection of publications associated with the SAVE survey. To gain a more profound insight into what SAVE is all about, the structure of the questionnaire, the interview mode, item non-response and representativeness of the sample used, one should also consider the following study.